You will never throw away onion skin after watching this. The internet is flooded with all kinds of life hacks, but I believe you've never come across this one. We should all aim to reduce household waste because it's beneficial for us and for the environment as well. And if you could put that waste to good use, that's even better. Onions are a staple ingredient in almost every recipe. They provide an amazing punch of flavor to any dish. But the peel? Completely useless, right? Wrong. There are some surprising ways onion peels can be helpful and can serve multiple purposes, revealing their hidden potential. After watching this video, you'll never want to throw them away again. Number 1, help yourself fall asleep faster. Did you know that the onion peel is rich in amino acid called L-tryptophan? That amino acid acts as a mild natural sedative. Just pour some boiling water over some onion skins and let it sit for 15 minutes. And before you go to bed, sip on that tea to calm your nerves and help put you to sleep faster. Number 2, make onion skin fertilizer. Did you know that onion skin is rich in potassium? A potassium-rich fertilizer will keep your plants healthy, resistant to diseases, and growing beautifully. Just take a bowl of onion peels and soak them in a liter of water for 24 hours. Then take the liquid and store it in a jar. Once a week, feed this mixture to your plants, both indoors and outdoors. Just make sure that you don't do it more than once a week. Number 3, hair toner. The idea of using onion peels for a hair treatment is based on the sulfur content present in onions. Sulfur is a mineral that is essential for the health of hair, skin, and nails. It makes dull hair shiny, helps with volume, and even helps grow hair in places you've got sneaky bald spots. How to make it? Just in a small saucepan, fill halfway full with water and bring the onion peels to a boil. Once the water takes on a brown hue, turn off the heat and allow it to cool before transferring the mixture to a spray bottle. Spritz the solution onto your entire scalp, gently massaging it to stimulate blood circulation. You might want to focus on those bald spots we mentioned before. After a few minutes, rinse out the treatment and proceed with your regular shampoo routine. And there you have it, healthy, shiny hair. Number 4, dye Easter eggs. Concerns often revolve around the potential harm that traditional paints might pose to eggs during Easter egg coloring. In such instances, opting for natural dyes becomes the ideal choice. If you're hesitant to invest in pricey organic alternatives, simply check your pantry. Onion skins emerge as an excellent natural dye option. Place the onion peels in a saucepan, add a generous amount of water, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer for approximately 30 to 45 minutes until a delightful color develops. Carefully drop the eggs into the natural dye using a spoon. Allow them to soak in the mixture for 30 minutes to an hour, resulting in a beautifully colored Easter egg perfect for your annual egg hunt. Keep in mind that the longer the eggs soak, the richer and darker the color will become. Number 5, sore throat relief. Few things are more bothersome than dealing with a sore throat. Typically caused by infections or environmental factors, it leaves your throat feeling dry, itchy, and irritated. Fortunately, there's a simple remedy. Just boil onion peels in water for a few minutes. Let it cool, strain the mixture, and either gargle with the liquid or consume it. Onion peels contain nutrients that can alleviate a sore throat, making them beneficial not only for common colds, but also for boosting the immune system. Number 6, relieving itchy skin. Ever experienced an itch that drove you crazy? Well, onion peels can actually help with that too. Being rich in vitamins A, C, and E, the peels are great for calming skin rashes, inflammation, and of course, itchiness. Additionally, their rich content of immunity-boosting antioxidants adds to their beneficial properties. If you find yourself itching, simply rub some onion skin over the affected area, and you're good to go. Number 7, cramp relief. Having a tough period or feeling sore after a hard workout session at the gym? Well, cramps can be a real pain. The good news is that onions also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve cramps. Just boil the peels in some water for 10 to 20 minutes and drink it like the tea before bed, and you can avoid waking up in the night with cramps. Number 8, a popery ingredient. Creating popery with dry onion skins is a simple and cost-effective way to add a natural earthy aroma to your home. Save onion skins each time you cook. Allow them to dry thoroughly in a cool, dark place. This process may take a few days. Gather dried flowers, herbs, and any other desired ingredients. Ensure they are completely dry to prevent mold. In a bowl, mix the dry onion skins with your chosen dried flowers and herbs. Experiment with proportions until you achieve a balance that appeals to your senses. If you want a more potent scent, add a few drops of essential oils to the mixture. Mix well to distribute the fragrance evenly. Do you have any other unexpected uses for onion skins? Share them in the comments below, please. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support helps us produce more valuable content. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. Never miss out on the good stuff.